The maintenance subscription is excellent for those who want to stay active and pain-free. With this subscription, you will get 2 treatments a month and 2 classes. With your 2 monthly treatments, you can pick from any of our services. This could be a physio session or treating yourself to a deep tissue massage, a physio-guided rehab session, or one-to-one Pilates. With the help of your physio, you can choose which of our services you would like to do and can mix and match depending on your needs in that month. Also, with this subscription, you get 2 credits towards any of our classes. Looking after your physical well-being is so important. Take the first step today by signing up for our maintenance subscription and let us look after you. Talk to any of our team members or drop us a call or email to 01 66 70 111 or info@peakphysio.ie.